Hello, and thank you for your interest in the LinkedIn workshop. My name is Gavin Bellamy, and I'm going to be one of the presenters alongside Marion Hackett. We've been running this workshop now for several years, normally in conjunction with NatWest. But I thought I'd just take a few minutes just to share with you what to expect from the workshop and why it might be the right thing for you. What I've tend to found is that most business owners have got a LinkedIn account, and most of those also have concerns or questions about how they could use their accounts. They're thinking that maybe they're underutilizing it. So this workshop is going to look at some of the key aspects of the successful use of this really powerful platform called LinkedIn. How to build a great profile, how to make the right connections, how to follow up, how to build your network, the use of groups, finding resources and support, and turning LinkedIn into a lead generation machine for your business. A lot of the questions that you probably got in mind, we're going to seek to address during the course of the workshop, and it'll be very practical, hands-on. No doubt you'll make some changes to your account whilst you're actually on the workshop, and you'll certainly take away some great ideas to use in your business afterwards. So we're looking forward to seeing you on the 18th of August. The link to join is below, and we'll see you there.